3號強風信號生效，颱風小犬再度增強為強颱風。天文台話，小犬喺過去數小時稍為增強，環流變得更緊密。隨住小犬逐漸靠近，本港風力正係逐漸增強。受到小犬同東北季候風嘅共同影響，今日稍後至到星期日風勢會進一步增強，部分地區尤其南部可能會吹烈風。烈風區同香港仍然有一段距離，3號信號至少維持到朝早8點。天文台之後會視乎小犬嘅強度、移動速度以及同佢相關烈風區與本港嘅距離，評估係咪需要發出更高熱帶氣旋警告信號。
The observatory says winds are strengthening as Typhoon Koinu approaches Hong Kong, but it says the strong wind signal number 3 will remain in force until at least 8 a.m, when the need for a higher signal will be assessed. Tong Yufai is a senior scientific officer at the observatory.
Cornelius has compact circulation and continues to track westward steadily, edging towards the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary with typhoon strength. Local winds will become generally strong gradually, reaching gale force occasionally on high ground. Under the combined effect of Cornelius and the northeast monsoon, local winds are expected to strengthen further